The air feels so calm. Want some tea?
Yes, please. Oh, it's gonna be 10. Good morning.
Good morning, Papa.
How is your morning?
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
You look fresh. We visit your grandparents today.
I am happy.
I know you miss them.
Yes, I miss them. When are we going?
Right now, dear.
We will go slow today.
Yes, slow is good. Let's start packing. Are you ready, dear?
Yes, Mom. I am ready.
Let me pack sandwiches.
Come, dear. Let's go now.
I am ready.
What is in here?
My things.
I hope we have taken everything.
Please sit. What a beautiful day for a drive.
It really is. So glad we're all together.
I see trees.
Are you okay?
Yeah,
Good to hear.
Nice weather. So beautiful outside. You want water?
yes, Mom.
Look at the beauty.
It looks so nice. The air is so fresh.
I feel tired.
Take rest.
Are we near?
Yes, almost.
Few more minutes. We are very near.
That's wonderful.
That is the house.
Yay! I see it.
What do you see?
The tree. All right, we are here.
Let's go.
Welcome.
I missed you.
I miss you too.
How are you doing, Mother?
I am good.
The day feels happy. Family time feels good.
I love this house. Oh. Kitty, come here. You are so soft. I love you so much. Come, let's play, Kitty. The food is good.
Eat well.
Okay, Grandma.
This day feels peaceful.
You're right. I feel calm.
I feel sleepy.
Okay, dear. Let's go to bed. Good night, dear. Sleep well. Mother is so happy.
Yes.
Good night. The morning is so beautiful.
Hey, Kitty, play with me.
Good catch.
Mom, can I take her home?
Let's see. Such a lovely day. Are we going out?
What a perfect day.
Wow, look at the hills.
Here we are.
Welcome. Your table is ready.
We start with pancakes and chicken.
Chocolate milk!
Of course. And to drink?
Orange juice, please. Oh, this looks wonderful.
Enjoy your meal, everyone.
Thank you very much. All right, finished here.
Yes, it was wonderful.
Dad, where are we going?
Surprise, dear.
What a beautiful park.
Look at those hills.
Look, a swing. Hey, this is fun.
This is life.
It's perfect, and the weather is just right.
Yummy!
She is tired.
We will be home soon. All right, we are home. We had a beautiful time. Look, you were so small.
Okay, time for bed now. Good night, dear. Sleep well.